Good morning, students. Today we will study general character of Chlorophyceae. The class Chlorophyceae is represented by 425 genera and 6,500 species. Chlorophyll A and B present in their plastids impart their bright green color, and as such they are called the green algae. Chlorophyceae are predominantly freshwater, about 90%, but there are some marine forms also, about 10%. The freshwater species are cosmopolitan in distribution, commonly inhabiting the permanent or semi-permanent pool, lake, ponds, etc. The member of Odontogonials and conjugales are exclusively freshwater. The marine species are mainly found in the tropical sea. Member of siphonales and alveoles are predominantly marine. Certain forms of volvocale, cladophorales, and chetophorales are found both in the fresh and the marine water. Species of Ulothrix, Vaucheria, and Zygonium are subaerial and are usually found on damp soil in the form of a sheet. Species of Protococcus and Tentrotiophila are epiphytic, found on the tree trunk, damp woodwork, and shady leaves. Many species of Cladophora and Carassium are epizoic, growing on the animal bodies, whereas a few unicellular form, example chlorella, are endophytic. Cephalorus and Rhodochrysum are parasitic. They lack the green color. Cephalorus causes red rust disease of tea. Some species occur in the unnatural habitat. For example, chlorella has some thermophilic species found in the hot spring. Chlamydomonas yellowstonensis and Hematococcus nivalis occur on the snow-covered mountain top, and the Chlamydomonas monas Irenbergi inhabit in the saline soil water. Some green algae is associated with certain fungi constitute lichens. The following are the important distinguishing features of the green algae. They exhibit a wide range in their thallus structure and morphology. Unicellular motile form. Example, Chlamydomonas and Spirilla. Unicellular non-motile form, Chlorella and Chlorococcum. Synobium in case of Pandorina, Eudorina, Volvox, Pediastrum, and Hydrodictyon. Palmilloid form, example Tetraspora. Dendroid form in case of Baccalocystic. Filamentous unbranched in case of Ulothrix and Spirogyra. Filamentous branch in case of Cladophora. Heterotrichous habit in case of Fristelia, Coleochaete, Stygolium, and Draphamen Maldiopsis. Siphonaceous in case of Protosiphon, Vaucheria, Podium. Parenchyma in case of Alba and Enteromorpha. The cell structure in eukaryotes. The cell structure in the is eukaryotic type. The cell wall generally has cellulose as the main structure, polysaccharide, except the siphonaceous form which have mannane and xylane. In Cara, the cell wall is impregnated with a calcium carbonate. The protoplasm is bounded by thin and semi-permeable plasma membrane. The cytoplasm possesses many small vacuoles, or there is a large central contractile vacuole. The diastolic and systolic movement of the contractile vacuole possibly have osmoregulatory function. The large central vacuole in the mature cell pushes the protoplasm along the plasma membrane in the form of a thin layer called the primordial utricle. Like all other eukaryotes, the cell of the green algae have mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, membrane-bound plastids, and other cell organelles. The main pigments are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, but chlorophyll A, alpha and beta carotene